How to remove Messenger pin code. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger. Click on three lines at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Settings, which is below your name. After you click on Settings, scroll down till you find Privacy and Safety and click on it. After you click on Privacy and Safety, go to End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Then go to Message Storage, which is the second option. After that, click on Turn off Secure Storage at the bottom. Then click on Continue. After you have turned off this, you can also delete by clicking on Delete Secure Storage. After that, click on Continue again. Your secure storage will be deleted. This does not mean your messages will be deleted. It is only for storage. And this is how to remove Messenger pin code. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.